Honey Monte by Pastor Arzen Aguilar. Sa i-score ng masarap at murang honey with benefits. Honey Monte na. Tara na. Joe Mawan. Short jumper. Love you, 3-5. Number 16. Number 16, traveling violation.
Yari ako ng mga balastis na pala.
Suboy, Zero, Musera. Shoutout din kay Mang Ib. Hala, alas 10 na. Yari ako kay Mang Ib. Hindi namin napansin ang oras. Block! Pero may isang pa. Pangaba jersey number 25. Substitution po. Substitution rep. Pasok po. Pasok po. Nepomuceno in. Sinong out po? Sino lumabas? Kopelenya out. First shot is no good. Second shot, makukuha kay ni Jumawan. 1 out of 2 by Jumawan. Paso Mocosera. Mocosera, 2 points. Sheru Mocosera. 9 minutes exactly of the fourth quarter. 61-57 in favor of Metro Ballers. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Francisco. 7 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Yumawa. 63-57 in favor of Metro Ballers. Kama. Pass to Malagit. Back to Kama. 40 seconds to shoot. Back to Kama. Pass to Nepomuceno. 2 points. Mikey Nepomuceno. 63-59 in favor of Metro Ballers. 8 minutes and 15 seconds. Blocking foul by jersey number 10, Mikey Nepomuceno. Third personal foul, first team foul of Sam Breakings. Jumawan, pass to Alam, 2 points. Alam. Seven minutes and 50. Doggy. Rebound by Jumawan. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Breakings. 65-59. Kama. Pass to Nepomuceno. Steal again by Mocosera. Doggy. Rebound by Nepomuceno is still by number 27. The number 9, Alvarez. Sino tumaping doon? Easy lang naman 1-5 eh, pag nabasag. Easy lang naman 1-5 pag nabasag. Hatid sa inyo yan na. Cellphone, hindi eh. Alvarez. 12 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Alvarez. Kama. 15 seconds to shoot. Mendoza. Foul. Substitution. Pasok po. Number 27, third personal foul. First team foul of Metro Ballers. Palit bola. Punas po.
Di ang basa, pagod lang.
First shot is good. Both teams, may dalawang timeout pa po kayo. Both teams. 6 minutes and 36 seconds left. Job 2 by Dan Mendoza. 67-61, 6-point lead by Metro Bowlers to Asilo. Asilo pass to number 32 points. Jumawan to Mendoza. Mendoza taking 3. Nugget, Iba 5. Number 9 to number 15. Asilo. Not counted. Foul by number 35. Dan Mendoza. Third personal foul, 30 foul out. South Breakings. 6 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. Asilo to points. Asilo to Mendoza. 7-1. Dalawang timeout of Metro Bowlers. Dalawang timeout din. South Breakings. 15 seconds shit. Lagi, di ba pala Asilo, pasok ng Francisco. Pasok Jumawan. Steal by Kama. Nauna na si Malagi, Jumon. Sakot. Standby for subdivision. 5 minutes and 24. Standby for subdivision. 15 seconds to shoot. Jumawan take 3. Lagi, Jumawan. Jumawan, pass to number 27. Jumon, number 27. Alan. Standby for subdivision. To Kama. Rosa play Kama. To Sanes. To Boy. Mendoza. Third time. Francisco. 15 seconds to shoot. Asilo. Steal by Mendoza. Pass to Pomocera to Boy. Great Kings. Isa na lang po tayo mga Great Kings. Dalawa pa po sa Metro Bowlers. Score 78-67. In favor of Metro Bowlers. 4 minutes and 26 seconds remaining on the clock. Shoutout po sa aming covered court, King David. Covered court, maraming salamat din sa ating homeowner na si Miss Evelyn Flores. Thank you, Pastor ng Hanimonte. Back to the action. Four minutes and 23 seconds. Number 10, tinignan pa. Nugget, Ribopay, Ribolino, Chabo. Ball goes to Great Kings. Next possession. Metro Bowlers. Pass to Kama, taking 3. Nugget, Ribopay, Alvarez. 4 minutes exactly on the fourth quarter. Alvarez, pass to Alam, short jumper. Nugget, Ribopay, Malangit, good pass out by Malangit. Hama. Out of bounds, ball goes to Metro Bowlers. Three minutes and 40 seconds of the fourth quarter. Pass to Jumawan. Short jumper ni Jumawan. Nugget, Ribopay. Same ball. Foul.
Foul number 4.
Foul by jersey number 4. Warning for penalty. Great Kings, warning for penalty. Alvarez taking 3. Nugget, Nepomuceno. Nepomuceno. Pass to Kama. Kama. Crossover mo kay Kama. What a move! Jumoy! Shockley! Kama! Ang move na ito ay din sa inyo ng Bruno Mars. Dance with my father again. Jumoy! Sumawa! 75-69. 3 minutes and 5. Reserve timeout. Nugget, Libabay, Baileyan. Reserve timeout na po. Jumoy, Baileyan. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Sarah, Simon Trip, Simon. Retro bowlers, number 27, Alam, warning for Gladwin. Warning for Gladwin, number 27, Alam. Warning for Gladwin. Yung bola po, pag-ibigay mo dito.
Wala lang
Baka,
yan.
yung bola po, naka-blue na bata. Hoy, bata naka-blue. Bata naka-blue. Mga bata. Back to the ball game. 2 minutes and 41 seconds. Second team foul of the bowlers. Nepomuceno. Block ang Asilo. Steal by Kama. Kama na mamadali. Kama. Offensive foul by Kami Kama. Second personal foul by Kami Kama. Offensive ng swing ng arm. To Alvarez, all alone. 2 more. Sakay to Sakikisi. Steal by number 9. Steal by Solid. Mendoza. Pass to Kama. Foul. Kama jersey number 10. Sakikisi left. Sakikisi. Combination in. Balakid out. Third team foul. First personal foul by number 10. Water 83, Nugget, Libabay. Yasuke! Nagtisayo ng Cobra, 83. Asilo. Crossover by Asilo. Nugget, Libabay, Wapileka. Foul by jersey number 15. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. Warning for penalty, both teams. Warning for penalty. 79-69, 10-point lead by Metro Bowlers. Mendoza. Pass to Kama, 83. Nugget, Libabay. Wapileka, out of bounds. Stay sweet. Late games. Nepomuceno 83. Nugget, Libabay, Kama. 2 points. Kama. 79-61. Jumawa. 15 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. Asilo. 3 seconds to shoot. Libabay. Nepomuceno. Kama. Nugget, Libabay. Nepomuceno. 2 points. Sakto-sakto yan.
Kaya pa yan. Sa likod.
79.
Please charge button.
79, 72.
Please charge na, narinig ko na.
One minute, wala na po kayo tayo.
Please charge button.
Isa ba ang timer? Isa ba ang timer? Isa ba? Third personal foul, number 22.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth connected.
Rebound by Popelena. Tukama Nagy, rebound by number 15. Number 15. Wow. Penalty.
35.
Warning for graduate Mendoza, number 35. Warning for graduate. Warning for graduate na rin, number 10, Mikey Nepomuceno. First shot is good. Second shot, makukuha kaya. Shot 2 by Asilo. Great kicks, may isang timeout pa po kayo. Skill by Alvarez.